Okay, so to test your battery, you want to look on it. So it's 7.4 volts. So I'm going to have to go to the 60 volt range on this. DC. And then these terminals are quite small on these, so I've had to get some thin testing cables. You got your negative on this side and your positive on this side, so just push them in. So there you go. Well, it was 8.4 volts. So that is not only a good battery, it's fully charged. Okay, this one was bust, so I've had to repair it a little bit. So I'm going to check it now. So 8.56 volts, so that's a good voltage. That's it. Check the two pins on your charger. You should be getting over 8 volts.